Hello everyone, thank you for click this video, and today I will show you TikTok moon trend couple moon face in CapCut. So the first you have to get your moon face. Go into moonfaces.co.uk and go down and set your birthday at a moon face calendar. So when you had been set it birthday, you will get your moon face like this. Click on it, press and hold, then click download. And after that, you can back to the CapCut and going to template and go to moon face couple trend. Choose on the template. I will choose this one, and after that click use template and choose the moon pictures and also your couple pictures. I want to use this one, and then click next, and this is the result. You also can go to text and edit your birthday here. Like this. So this is how to create TikTok moon trend couple moon face in a CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.